Hey, welcome to the show. Today I want to review the Waterpik magnetic slide strip shower system. I've had this for about 5 months now. I've been super happy with it. I have another Waterpik shower head right here with an attachment. It goes all the way to this one here. And this is attached using a magnet. So you just pull up like that and you can slide it up and down if you want to, and boom, it attaches to this metal part right here. This metal part is attached to the side of my shower with 3 adhesive stickers, and it's really solid. You cannot move it. It's on there. I really like this. It's great because my daughter is a little bit shorter, so she likes to be able to use this shower head. You can also detach it very easy, and then it goes right here in the holder. I'll show you what this looks like. What I like about it is that this is not very hard on the skin. Sometimes some of the water coming out of a shower head is very hard. It kind of hurts you on the back. This is a very nice, soft water coming out of here. Nice, soft spray. I really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and shut that off here. And like I said, you can detach this. You can hold this, put this, on your back if you want to. I actually bought 2 of these, one for the shower downstairs and one for the shower upstairs. And, if you want to, you can put it way up here. You can even have both of these going on at the same time. So I'll kind of demonstrate that. So I'm going to turn the switch. You can see that you can have 2 shower heads going at the same time. But I really recommend this. It's been doing great for me and for our family. It is the Waterpik magnetic slide strip shower system. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, and don't forget to hit the like button. All right, bye-bye.